to the daytime, but I wanted to charge these at nighttime, of course. So I pay for cheap power, store the power, and then use the power when the power is high. So it's kind of like a cheat code, I guess you could say, but extremely high electric rate during the day. It's like 20 cents. And that's how I got away with such cheap electricity at night. So from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m., I pay 3.5 cents per kilowatt. But from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., I pay 20. And as you see up top, and you can see the capacity, there's 2,560 amp hours. Just have the XT150 connector by Humsienk. That power cord comes through here back to the EcoFlow. At 9 o'clock it turns this EcoFlow on, and that in turn recharges the EcoFlow and pushes power through the XT150 at 9 o'clock at night when I have a cheaper rate. This is just a quick little way that I found to pull that cheaper electricity rate and use it during the higher times. So if I've got any questions or anything, I will try my best to answer.